Silly Little Beaver Children's Books Read Aloud.
Bert's Beautiful Sights by Constance Allen, illustrated by Maggie Swanson. There's so much to see in the world all around you. Just look at things closely. Your eyes will astound you. Look up at the clouds. There's one shaped like a shoe. There's a fluffy white lamb and a huge kangaroo. Look down in the water. That looks like me, Bert. It smiles when I smile, and it's wearing my shirt. Look at its reflection. Now look at my shadow. It does what I do. I strut like a pigeon. It struts like one too. That's so cool. Look around you at colors. The green of the trees, the bright colored flags that flap in the breeze. A small yellow bird singing songs oh so sweet, and the glow of a sunset on Sesame Street. Look up at the moon and the stars and the lights. The world is full of beautiful sights. The end.
Thank you so much for going on that adventure with me. Please be sure to comment with your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna find something to eat now. Bye-bye.